So today we're going to be doing this 1950s inspired look. It's historically accurate as much as possible, and I've done my research, so I know what I'm talking about. Willis. So yeah, if you want to learn some stuff and do some makeup, carry on watching. So let's get on with it. Right, so I've got primer on, and now we can start with foundation. I'm using Estée Lauder Double to give me a flawless look, and I'm just going to build it up to create a canvas that is completely and utterly flawless. Then I'm just going to use my Huda Beauty concealer in meringue to conceal my dark circles. You can also use this to add any highlights you want. So I'm just going to go down my nose. And we're just blending that out with your fingers. You can use a beauty blender if you want. And again, just putting some of the concealer on my eyes to neutralise the colour and act as a base. To set the look, I'm going to use Peach Perfect powder by Too Faced. So buff it all out. And you want to look matte and you want to look flawless. So in the 50s, everyone kind of aimed for the peaches and cream complexion. So really pale, pink cheeks, and just as flawless as possible. People tended to use Max Factor makeup in the 50s as that was most popular. And it was used in like film production, TV. And the pancake, like just a disc of foundation, was very popular. So next, what I'm going to do is use the white shadow from my 35B palette, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face just to lighten it up a little bit. You can miss this step if you've used a foundation that is paler than your skin, or if you could even add a little bit of white cream makeup or moisturiser even to your foundation to make it lighter. But today I'm going to be doing this. For blusher, as I had a peaches and cream complexion as I've said, I'm going to use this Too Faced Pink Candy Glow blusher. And I'm just going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and to bring it back to my temples. They didn't use bronzer in the 50s, but obviously if you want a more modern take on it, go ahead. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using Handwritten by MAC. And I'm just filling them in. People in the 50s did have quite thick eyebrows, so I am filling in mine. And they did tend to have quite an arch in them. So try and emphasise that arch. You can always clean up your eyebrows if you mess up with concealer. Now for eyeshadow. In the 50s, what they tended to do was they were attracted to more shimmery, pastel-y colours, and they would apply these all over the lid, just one colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this purple, and I'm just going to apply it all over the lid. And you're not going to take it all the way to your brow bone, you're more taking it outwards. So kind of blending it out rather than up. You might need to pack quite a lot on with it being such a light colour. So you just take it into the crease as well as on the lid and just blending it out and making sure you've got a lot of pigment showing that colour on the lid. And that's it for the eyeshadow. Really simple, but they didn't wear much eyeshadow in that time, and most of the makeup was made out of like guano, which is poop, which obviously times have changed. For eyeliner, the wing, the cat wing that you see a lot of in inspired videos, yes, it looks great, but it's not actually that authentic to 1950s. Usually women would just carry it along and just have a very gentle flick as the eye comes to an end. So I'm wetting my brush with a bit of water and then going into my black eyeshadow, because you don't want a really black line. This creates a subtle look. I've done my eyeliner, now onto mascara. As you can see, I haven't winged it out, I've just kind of naturally flicked out my eyeliner at the end of my eyes. So curl my eyelashes. You can see my eyeliner isn't really dark as I've mixed it with the black eyeshadow, so it's more of a grey, gentle black sort of look. Mascara, I'm using Rimmel's Scandaleyes Reloaded. And in the 50s, just tended to apply mascara to your upper lashes, so that's what I'm going to do today. And then finally, I'm going to put the lipstick on. This is Redrum by Jeffree Star. So this is the finished look. An accurate 1950s look using modern products. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!